guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. So I heard back from Dodge. They sent me an email. So I'm gonna show y'all the email real quick right here. So even though I submitted the car that I built, Carlito texted me right here. It looks like I still need to come into the dealership and actually place the order. I know I don't have time to do it today, and I'm just gonna go in there and actually build a car and get a price. I'm not gonna buy it right now, so I don't want you guys to get the wrong idea thinking that I'm getting ready to actually buy the car. I'm just going to get the price. I'm gonna take that price to my credit union and see what they can get me approved for. So based off that, that's going to determine whether or not I just go with the 19 Hellcat, or if I decide to go with the Scat Pack, or the 2020 Hellcat wide body. So so with that being said, I'll definitely do a follow-up video. So you went in there to get that?
Because you're always looking for lotion.
Oh, all right. My wife just hooked me up. Look at that. What I'm talking about. I'm gonna do a follow-up video once I actually go into the dealership and get a price. And hopefully my wife will be on board and she can assist me on this purchase, but she act like she don't want to do it. Well, you want to go by that little car show, John? Go through there and see what them bums doing over there.
I don't have time.
I'm just want to see what kind of cars they got over there.
I told you I had things to do.
Okay, they got a little commercial. It's a little Chevy jump. I'm gonna show y'all. We got a Camaro right here. Look at that jump. Okay. Alright, you probably can't go. You ain't gotta go through there. They got all the little. Okay. Them jumps fast too. Got the kids in the street. Man, I got 100 kids like us. But that looked like a little Chevy me. I thought they had some Mopars over there. We don't care about them Chevys, bro. What y'all know about that joint? First watch. The Daytime Cafe.
I wanted it.
They go 300. Look at that 300. So yeah, man. So that's the follow up to me submitting a quote for. Damn, look at that. She about to run right into it. Look at my wife. Pull out in front of people.
Your head is too big. Shit.
See how she treat me, y'all. So I basically got to go into the dealership and sit down with the guy and build a car. And well, they shouldn't have to build it again. Damn, they got what all the features I want in the car. So they should just be able to put it in their system and give me a price. So I'm definitely gonna do another video once I actually go into the dealership to get the price. And the way it's looking now, they still got the power dollars. It's almost up to like 9,000 off 19s. So the 19s are looking more and more attractive to me, because they're a whole lot cheaper than getting as you see, the 2020 wide body Scat Packs are like 50-something thousand, and the 19s are going for under 40, and it's pretty much the same car, just got the wide body kit. And I'm seeing on YouTube now more frequently people offering to just put the wide body kit on it for you for like $3 grand. So I don't know, guys. We just have to wait and see. I'm about to do a little running around, so I'll check back in with y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, I'm riding down the street and I see a Charger coming off of the truck. Look, that might be a Hellcat. Oh, that's a GT. Goddamn. See, they faking us out. See, you never can tell nowadays. Never can tell. Right, y'all, I just got some exclusive information about a wide body that's coming in, and I'm selected to do a full review of it. So we definitely got, that's right, y'all guessed it, a Daytona wide body coming to the channel, man. I just got the call when Carlito texted me. He told me, what's up, man? Definitely got the Daytona coming to the channel. So if you're not subscribed, you better subscribe now, because I'm definitely gonna be doing a full review. And you never know. Oh, wait a minute, there's a challenge. So you never know, I might just end up with it. So if you're not subscribed, man, go ahead and subscribe. I'm about to eat me some food, because I gotta eat some pancakes, because I got these damn braces, bruh. And I can't even get me a spicy chicken sandwich from Popeye. You haven't even had the joint yet.
And I don't want it. People are going crazy.
I swear, this one here. That's all this video is about, man. I just want to let y'all know that the Daytona 50th anniversary will be on the channel, man. I'm going to be doing a full review. As the time gets closer and I get more information on when exactly it's going to be on the channel, where it's going to be at the dealership, I will let you guys know. Today I didn't really have any car footage for you, just kind of a little vlog of what I'm doing today. I'm kind of just hanging out. So if this is your first time joining my channel, man, you want to subscribe, because a lot of good things are coming to the channel. We got the wide bodies coming out. They're about to start hitting the dealerships. And you know I'm going to be doing reviews of the wide bodies. So subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.